I'm Marieke and I want to dye my hair as light as possible. And,
okay.
Yes.
And you want not too much of your length off?
No.
Just clean cut.
Yes.
Marieke, will you turn for you and the rest of the world to show your hairs now? It's a long time since you've been here as a model.
Yeah, it's almost 2 years, I think.
Nice. Nice to have you back.
Yes.
Okay. Hello friends on YouTube, gonna do Marieke's hair again. And it's a long time since she was at my studio. And that was still in the old salon. But now she wants as light as possible. So I'm gonna bleach her hair. Gonna do this with a black system in it. I'll show you the photo of the black system. First, of course, I put on the protection. And we're going to take not that much off. And I advise her to use a cola. On the ends there's still an old color in, and otherwise it would activate as possible when the bleach is going on. Set in first the length and then the part near to the skin. Starting in the back, working up. And every time I take 2 levels, I put the plastic foil in it. Protect my hands with gloves. You watch in my channel, you see a lot of videos of her. We made already a lot of videos.
Many different ones.
Yeah, with different colors.
Yeah.
Lekker strak, hè?
Ja. Ook leuk zo, mijn haar.
Zeker. Beetje Chinees.
Ja.
Part hair with chopsticks. Then turn it so you can see what I'm going to do. Stay away from the skin. The bleach I made is with 9% as sturdy volume. I put a Vario blonde in, and what I told you, black system. Zo, hij wil niet helemaal.
Gaat goed.
Ja, dat gaat. Flinke muis hierboven, hè?
Misschien is het een kat.
Ja, of een hond, denk ik.
Ja.
Ik denk een hond. Nice thing is working with plastic foils so that you can lay all the hairs on it. And she's the first model that uses the Coca-Cola to get rid of old colors in the hair. So you will see how that works. Put the foil between it and take a new layer on, and so will work till I have done all her hair. Okay, now I have all the bleach on her hair, except of course her first part, because that I leave out. Give her a lot of foil, so I turn her so you can see how the foils lay between it. So this we let develop. Now we wait and see. Afterwards I'll tell you how long it took to get this into platinum and then bring in the outgrow. Now we waited for 20 minutes and the result is like this. So we are on ultra light gold platinum. So now I'm going to set in the outgrow and let me guide by that for how light her hair will be. And I'll tell you afterwards how long it took for her to become platinum blonde. Back, rinsed it out, and this is after almost 50 minutes. The outgrow we set in after 20 minutes. You see still the rest colors of what we previously had as color. So now I'm gonna set on a toner. Toner is a silver toner. I started the neckline, applying it, and I put in also a black system, and then step 2 of the black system, so it makes the hair ultra nice to feel. And it's the silver color. Want to reduce as much as possible from the old colors and the yellow tones in it. Back from coloring, it's still a little bit color left in the length, but when it's dry it looks totally different. So I put a toner on, a silver toner, that I show you in the video what I already told. So now I start blow drying. Building up from beneath up to the upper levels.
Een leuke cape wel.
Ja.
Past er helemaal bij.
Ja. Now this is blow drying and coloring step 1. We make also step 2 and then we get all the rest colors out. Marieke, will you turn around to show how the color is now after step 1? Still a leftover of a little bit gold colors that were dark.
Moet ik even zo schudden?
Nee, dat hoeft niet. Laat maar zo zitten. Thank you very much. Hello, we're a month from the time we did the first bleaching. Now you saw that there was still a little bit left over, and you see this also in this same video. Left over of the old colors she had in her hair. Most of the parts are clear blonde, but we want to get into highlight silver blonde, a bit greyish. So I asked her to come back. This is in a month. The outgrow is also a centimeter. It's about a month hair grow. So now I'm going to start all over again. I made her a bleach on 6%, that's 20 volume. Put in a vario blonde because I want to get into the colors related to the vario blonde because it's a violet color. Start the neckline, building up to the front. Put on my own protection, of course. And get rid of the colors still in. This was also related because I asked her to put cola in her hair for a week and she did only 4 times. So that's also one of the things I didn't know when I started. But what the end result influence, because then you can see that you not get all the color out. Put in again a black system. Show you this black system in this video. I'm going to work at this by putting on the bleach. And then I show you when all the bleach is on that I close the plastic foil and then you can wait till I get into the end results. Okay, now I have all the bleach on my hair, took the outgrow with it, massaged it into the ends, put a little bit more vario blonde in it to reduce the yellow tones. So now I'm going to close the foil only on the layer of yellow blonde, and this I leave open because it goes fast enough. We'll be back. Wash the hair after rinsing with the silver shampoo. Massage it gently in, and then after a minute of 5 till 10 I'm gonna rinse it out again, the shampoo, and then put the silver on it so you get the greyish color. Silver shampoo always needs time to work in. rinse out, and then I'm going to dry the hair, and then I'm going to set the color silver grey on. In the color I use step 2 of the flex system, so it nurses the hair in the same time that it's coloring it. Now before I put the toner on, I have to dry the hair. So I already started because it's very boring to watch hair that's been dried by a blow dryer. But I had to reduce the amount of moist in the hair. And I can make her the silver tone she wants. In the silver tone I put the step 2 of the black system. So the result will be a lot better of the hair. Still in wonderful condition. I didn't put a cream or nothing on it. Just silver shampoo. So now I'm going to make the color. And then you see the rest. Mix a silver toner and put in on 3 parts grey, 1 part violet. The 1 part violet I do because I want to reduce the yellow tones in her hair. This is on and it nurses there. And I put step 2 of the black system in. This I apply on the hair, leave it for 20 minutes, then I rinse it out. And then I can dry her hair. Now I've got all this product on her hair. It's a very creamy product, you can hear it. It's also nursing and brings moist into the hair again. Make sure it's applied all over the head. Then close my foil, wait for 50 minutes, rinse it out, blow dry it, and you can see the end result. Okay, back from coloring, rinse it out. Brush the hair a bit. Use a grey foam, it's a silver agent. This is to protect the hair for the heat of the blow dryer. Buiten is die kleur heel mooi. Veel mooier als hier binnen.
Ik vind het nu wel mooi.
So far blow drying.
Oh zo. Ik stijl mijn haar eigenlijk nooit.
Nee, dat weet ik niet, want je hebt stijl genoeg.
Ja, precies. Krullen, dat heb ik ooit 1 keer geprobeerd, maar dat is geen succes als ik...
Nee, je zak het er gelijk uit.
Ja.
Now on top of her nice straight hair, I use a little bit polish of Lakme. Thank you for watching. Thank Marieke for being my model. And this is step 2 in her video. Okay, my love, you might turn around to show the world how your hair is now. I will make photos also outside so they can see the difference in daylight and lamplight. Thank you very much.
Yes. Bij Marieke en Theo Knoop.